What's up, guys, and welcome to another video. Now, did you know that Windows has a hidden tool that can be used to diagnose your computer just in 60 seconds? So, if your PC is slowing down, lagging, or experiencing FPS drops whilst gaming, this inbuilt feature can help you identify the problem your PC is having. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to use it, read the reports, and also fix most of the common issues in your computer. So let's dive in. So first of all, you press the Windows key plus R, Windows key plus R to give you this run window. Now, you can also do it this way. Just right click on the Windows button and click on run. And now you type perfmon over here, perfmon/report. If you can't see it clearly, type perfmon/report in the run search and click on OK. Now, what this is doing right now is it is collecting data within the 60 seconds and it is checking your RAM, your CPU, your disk, your network, your drivers, and your hardware. And it is monitoring the running processes and services and looking for performance bottlenecks and configuration issues. So after the 60 seconds, it will generate a detailed report of all this. So let's wait. After 60 seconds, it will generate a detailed report. So yeah, this is the report it generates. As you can see, personally, I actually don't have any. Okay, the only issue I have is this, my memory, which is even normal because I'm having a high memory usage. So if you encounter low memory, just close unused programs, reduce browser tabs and visual memory, or upgrade RAM. If maybe you have a small memory, maybe 8 gig, try upgrading to 16 gig. Yeah, so this is not really an issue. And if your security center, if your security center is also failing, if you are getting an error over there, then I think you have to check your Windows Defender. Try updating Windows Defender or try enabling Windows Defender. Mostly if your Windows Defender is turned off, try turning it on. Yeah, and if you encounter failed disk, normally I use this tool to check the health of my hard disk. It's called Crystal Disk Mark 9. I'll leave the link below in the description so you can download it. It helps you check the health of your hard drive, whether it's an SSD, HDD, the temperature and all that. So yeah. And also if you have a high disk utilization, normally just close unnecessary apps, restart your PC, disable background applications and startups. Yeah. So basically, this is just a basic system diagnostics that is hidden in Windows. So if you're having issues, just come here and check first before troubleshooting. So just come here and check first before troubleshooting further. Thank you.